Ashirvad Pipes, a pipe which you have preferred for over 40 years. A pipe which you have bought and sold hundreds of times and narrated the tales of its strength to our buyers and perhaps even beaten many with it. Just joking. But have you ever thought how a small amount of powder gets converted into such a strong and sturdy pipe which can withstand rust, corrosion and leakage completely? If not, then let us see what is happening in the field of Ashirvad Pipes. Master Blaster, India's finest and the most trusted Ashirvad Pipes.
Right now, there are 4 historic matches going on in the huge 40-acre field of Ashirvad Pipes. As you can see, the world-famous column pipes, CPVC pipes, Aqualife pipes and SWR pipes are being made on this field. And to start with, here is the grand entry of the first player. This is the raw material which has to go through a security check for quality before entering Ashirvad. Here it goes with a security check and now the raw material is being mixed and strained in huge tanks. Then it goes to the hopper and enters the extrusion machine. After heavy mixing in the hot chamber, it has reached the cold chamber. Here, under the powerful spray of cold water, it is gaining a shape and the powder is getting transformed into a strong pipe. This process is so quick that in just 10 minutes, the powder has been converted into a strong, sturdy, well-formed pipe. But Mr. Shastri, a pipe is a pipe. But what is so special about Ashirvad pipes?
If you look at this column pipe carefully, you will see that its 2 ends have been kept a little thick deliberately, so that while threading, the whole pipe maintains the same thickness and does not become weak at the ends. This new concept was introduced to the world by Team Ashirvad.
We will now take a moment to tell you that this is the same UPVC column pipe which was created here in Ashirvad in 1998. When farmers were having a lot of difficulty in installing iron pipes in their bore wells, which was a long process. And their problems did not end there. In a few years, these pipes would corrode due to rust and then crack. It was at this time that Team Ashirvad thought of making column pipes for submersible pumps with a material which will not rust or break and will last for years. And this thought became a new invention for the world, our UPVC column pipe. While we are talking of inventions, we should also tell you that we also make couplers for cutting, threading, grooving, rubbering and fitting in pipes. But how can we forget the most important aspect of these column pipes? It is the Ashirvad Special SS Wire-Lock technology which connects the column pipe to the pump firmly. Let us move forward. Look around. All around the Ashirvad field, there is a network of tests and trials. Every 2 hours, many pipes undergo the durability and pressure tests. Just see the side where the column pipes are undergoing impact and tensile tests. And the pipe which fails during the test goes straight into the bin. Even the CPVC pipes have to go through severe endurance tests in the lab to prove their strength. Not only bread, here CPVC pipes also get roasted in the oven. Here it is undergoing a toughness test in temperatures above 90 degrees. And this is not all. On the other hand, a cooling test is also going on at 0-degree temperature. We are working so hard on the temperature tests because these CPVC pipes have to bear boiling hot water running through them. As you can see, each pipe is being checked thoroughly and the inner and outer diameter of each pipe is being measured. Is this a factory or a game of endurance and test of strength? All said and done, perhaps it is this attitude and the passion of the manufacturers to give quality to their customers which distinguishes Ashirvad pipes from all others. We will do any number of tests so that you're never let down in front of the customer. But Mr. Shastri, we have heard that Ashirvad Pipes has achieved something which no other pipe maker in the world has done. So what is that special thing which keeps this match so interesting?
Yes, look here. At Ashirvad, we make a special pipe for every kind of need. For example, Ashirvad CPVC pipes and fittings for hot and cold water, Aqua Life pipes for only cold water, and SWR pipes for removal of waste. Now look at these CPVC pipes carefully. Can you see this FlowGuard Plus sign? This is the sign of world's #1 American CPVC compound manufacturing company, Lubrizol, which has confirmed that Ashirvad is their fastest expanding licensee in Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and India. It is this plus symbol which distinguishes Ashirvad CPVC pipes from other generic CPVC pipes. In the field of SWR pipes, Ashirvad used the molded yellow seal push fit technology for the first time in India, which gives the speed of 5G to plumbing, and that too without any threading or solvent. Just push the fitting into the pipe with a gentle pressure and a perfect leak-proof joint is ready. That means right from pumping up water from the depth of the earth to getting rid of wastewater, the entire cycle is taken care of by Ashirvad Pipes.
Well said, Mr. Shastri. Such good production practices are not possible without a good team, and definitely not without an excellent captain. No compromise with quality, no carelessness with money. That is why today just the name Ashirvad Pipes is enough in the market. With this positive outlook, the Ashirvad team has completed many such centuries in the last 40 years. But wait a minute, the match is still not over. You have met the major players of Ashirvad. Now have a look at the smaller ones. This is pan connectors, metal adapters of column pipes which are made of stainless steel, fittings, ball valves and solvent cement of plumbing systems, and fittings of SWR. So what if these fittings are small? Each one has to undergo the same rigorous security check. So, looks like all the players have performed well in the field. But now, the time has come to exhibit the same quality and same performance to the world outside. You know the rest of the story. Finally, what all happens between you and the customers, that you know better. But before we leave, we would like to tell you that from the time that Ashirvad Pipes was a tiny production unit till now, one thing that has not changed is their constant effort to give something better to the customer, their absolute trust in their own products, and the promise to people to give them their money's worth. Did you see? Just as you work hard, these pipes also work very hard to reach you.
Ashirvad Pipes, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. 40 acres expanded and extended Ashirvad has 20 warehouses across the country, from where the materials being supplied to every state. More than 40 extrusion machines, more than 100 CNC thread cutting machines, more than 90 injection molding machines, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, 4 fully equipped testing labs, 2,200 skilled and semi-skilled manpower, more than 400 experienced technical, administrative, marketing and account staff, exported to more than 25 countries, more than 1,600 distributors across India, more than 18,000 plus dealers and channel partners across India, nearly 300 sales personnel across India, more than 1 lakh metric ton UPVC and CPVC pipes and fittings production every year. Not only this, the whole nation has seen the Ashirvad success in the year 2008 by receiving a prestigious National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurship in Medium Enterprises by the Prime Minister of India. And in the year 2014, Ashirvad Pipes was also honored as one of the 100 fastest growing marketing brands in Asia by KPMG.
So, Mr. Shastri, was this the entire journey of Ashirvad?
No, certainly not. Ashirvad has long-term goals. Now, Ashirvad has merged with Aliaxis SA, among the largest fluid management companies in the world. Ashirvad, with its partner Aliaxis, has brought in many new products, such as WC pan connectors, ball and butterfly valves, underground drainage pipes, silent SWR pipes, waste and traps, chrome-plated plastic taps, grease traps, concealed cisterns, and a lot more. We are confident that in its new avatar, within the next 3 years, Ashirvad will be India's largest company in plumbing, sanitary and drainage. Ashirvad will bring a new revolution among the plumbing sector in India by the year 2018, with a big aim, turnover of 3,000 crore. Master Blaster, India's best. Ashirvad Pipes. To get this team all out isn't just difficult, it's impossible.